Hey folks, just a quick tutorial of how the Google Files work for our class. I've asked everyone to use these templates. We're actually going to use a template or a notebook, I'm calling it, for the entirety of SA3. So if you haven't remembered how to find these, just real quick, go to your drive. That's drive.google.com. Okay, and you can see that right here. I'm going to do that. Okay, and all you have to do is do a search for ENG 102. Okay. And you should get a folder that comes up that is ENG 102 plus your username, okay? So if you click that, it'll open up and you should be able to see all the files I've shared with you. Now, once you go to your folder, you should have SA1 to ultimately right now 4. I'll probably replace that with a notebook. This is the first time I'm making use of this notebook feature. I'm hoping it's going to work for SA3, and if it does, I'll continue it for SA4. So you're going to, find these documents here. I want you to open up the SA3 notebook. So what the SA3 notebook actually is a notebook of all of the assignments leading us up to the final draft, okay? So everything that we need to kind of do to prepare ourselves to write the paper and then the actual writing of the paper is located in this. This uses a feature in Google Docs called document tabs. Okay, so you'll see that there are these tabs off the left-hand side. There's the cover, and we're going to work our way through here. So you can start by filling out the open areas here on the cover. Okay, after that, you've got your SIFT rubric that is due this week, the SA3 proposal, which is due this week. Okay, research questions, which will be coming next week. Okay, so this includes all the materials you're going to need to kind of work our way through SA3 through the entire unit. Okay. The one thing I want to show you how to do is that I am going to ask you to turn in individual sections of this. So, for example, this week the SIFT rubric is due. In order to turn it in, all you need to do is go to the SIFT rubric and make sure you click on the appropriate tab. Okay, and then go to File, Download, and just download as a PDF. And when you do that, it'll download. I'm going to go ahead and open this file up. This is the download I just got. Okay. What you will find is the only thing that it will download, okay, is that individual section. Okay. So it will not download the entire notebook, just going to download the entire that specific section that you're working on, okay? And that's ultimately what I'm going to ask you to do. So when I ask you to turn in the SIFT rubric, click on SIFT rubric, go to File, Download, PDF, and then turn that into D2L, okay? When I ask for the proposal, same thing. Go to the SA3 proposal, complete it, then you're going to go to File, Download, PDF, and submit it to D2L. The idea behind this is that all of your work for SA3 is going to be kept in one place here. So you can actually go from your research questions back to your proposal. You can look back at your SIFT rubric. As we start doing the writing work, you're going to be able to look at your introduction and then your draft and then the revisions going into your final, okay? That is just the basic idea behind it. I want you to do all your work inside this single document, and you're just going to turn in sections as they come, okay? If you run into issues with this, it's new technology. Please don't hesitate to let me know. Reach out. I'll do a Google Meet. We can screen share, and I will try to get you through this. Thanks.